inside of it. All right, that's the ginger right there. And now we're gonna get 1 medium-sized green apple. Right, that's the green apple right there. And now we're gonna get a piece of a cucumber. Right, this amount is perfect. All right, you don't want to get too much. Inside of the blender. All right, and that is lovely. Now we're gonna get some celery. All right, so right here we got green apple and ginger, cucumber, and celery. All right, we're gonna put some, roughly about a teaspoon of organic honey inside of it. Okay. After you put the honey, then we're gonna get some apple cider vinegar. Always shake up your apple cider vinegar to put inside of it. Roughly about half tablespoon. Nice one. So we're gonna get a large lemon to put inside of it. So we're gonna squeeze up lemon juice inside of it. All right. Just gonna put that lemon inside of it. Nice one. And then we're gonna just put a little bit of water inside of it. You don't want to put too much water inside of it. All right, guys. You just want to just put a little bit of water inside of it. All right. Yeah, that's looking good so far. And what we're gonna do now, we're gonna just give it a blend. We're gonna make a little bit of a noise, but to be honest, guys, it's worth it. Okay, it's just amazing recipe. So we're just gonna blend this now for a few minutes. All right. Nice one. So here it is. This is how it look. All right. So what you want to do? You want to drink this with the fiver and everything. All right. Yeah, and that's the way it look. All right, guys. That is a fantastic and an amazing recipe. from Chef Ricardo to you this morning, guys. Hopefully you guys will love this one. It's a simple one, but it's also very, very good. All right. Now, what I'm gonna do now, so I just give you this one this morning, but I'm gonna give you my original one, which I said to you guys, you have to drink this every morning on an empty stomach also. All right. So that's part one. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna try and give you part two now. All right. So yeah, rise and shine and give thanks. All right. Now get yourself some celery. All right, and some more ginger. All right. And we're gonna just cut up our celery. So we're gonna make a celery juice. All right. Put that celery straight inside of it. All right. Beautiful. Lots of celery. Okay, that's looking good right there. So that's a lot of celery right there. All right, guys. Yeah, but what we'll do with this one this morning, I'm gonna just mix it with some celery and some cucumber. All right, that's all I'm gonna be doing with this morning. I'm not gonna be like go overboard with it too much. All right, yeah. So what I'm gonna do now is just celery and cucumber this morning with some ginger and lemon. All right, so you just want to put that together and then put a little bit of water. You want to drink this one in the morning, just a little bit of water. Do not put too much water in it. All right, because you know 95% of this is just bare water. All right, yeah. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna blend this one up. All right, this is a nice lovely cup of cucumber and celery juice, naturally. Now, let's get this one off. All right, so get our strainer. So this one is just amazing. All right, so this one, you want to drink this every morning on an empty stomach. All right, yeah. This morning I just give you some cucumber and celery with some ginger. I'm gonna put some lemon inside of it. And that is such a lovely one. Alright, that's looking good. I got a little bit more left. Alright, yeah. That is lovely. All right, now that's finished. So we're just gonna get, I got half a lime and half a lemon left. I'm gonna squeeze them inside of it. I'm just gonna use them up. All right, yeah, that's it right there. And I have also half a lemon leaf. I'm just gonna use them up. All right, that's nice. And let's give that a mix. All right, that's looking good. Now you just want to drink a nice lovely glass of an amazing drink right here. Trust me guys, beautiful. Look at this now. Wow. No honey, no sugar in this one, all right? You just want to drink it natural like that, right there. So I give it this one with a mixture of fruits, and now so this one just ginger, lemon, and cucumber with some celery. All right, so you have a choice which one you want to make in the morning. All right guys, so as you can see, yesterday morning we do the celery juice, and we do a celery juice this morning again. We're gonna do it tomorrow morning, and if you guys